Oi oi, welcome back gang. So, again, I still don't want a job. If you've been following this series, you know where we're up to by now. If you're new here, basically, I was travelling for 11 years. I just got home. I said to myself, if I can do that for 11 years, I can do whatever I want. And I don't want a job. That is goal number one. So I've been doing everything I can to earn money. My main ambition at the minute has been reselling, and I'm actually doing quite well. I'm 2 weeks and 1 day into it, and I've got, I think it's about £660, something like that, which is okay. I'm aiming for £1,000 this month. Um, yeah, and if you go back and look at my past videos, you'll be able to see the car boots that I did to earn some money, where I've sourced my stock, how I've got stock cheap, how I list things, etc. But today, I have woken up really early. I'm going to Sixfields in Northampton to a car boot. I'm going to get there as soon as the sellers are opening just to see what I can get. It's really small though, so I'm not expecting to stay long. And then I'm going to go to a big one called Holcut. I don't mind turning up a little bit later there just because it is much bigger and it's a Saturday, so it will be busy. Yeah, so today trying to find more stock. And I've got my trusty bag with 7 sales. So I'm going straight to the lockers now, post my sales, and then let's go see what we can find at the car boot. There we go, £35 down, including £4 entry. And I'll show you what I got when I get home. I'm back from both those car boots and I completely forgot to film anything. But I will show you all the items I got. I spent £35, well, £31 because £4 was entrance. Got 21 items, so it's £1.60 per item. And I will show you now what I got. Start with on this side, I got myself a trusty tape measure. Got myself some work trousers because for when I convert camper vans, they were £1. I got a Levi's top, which I had exactly the same. Gave mine to my mum to do washing, she dyed it pink. So I've got this one for me now. But I've got a kids Ralph Lauren hoodie, which will definitely sell. Hollister, it's like a jumper. I don't mind if I just get a couple of quid. I just had to throw it in because I got 3 items for £1. Same with this. This got thrown in, 3 items for £1, just a Calvin Klein. Just because these bits aren't that great, but again, should go for really cheap. Got some fat face jeans for kids. And I've been doing okay with some fat face stuff, and kids stuff does okay, so I'll just try all that. Some Levi's jeans, which are quite nice. Levi's shirt, and it's like funky pattern. So again, get a few quid. A Berghaus fleece. This North Face jumper is really cool. It's got like a really nice, like old school pattern on it. So again, that should sell well. A Barber jumper. Lacoste polo. Some girls workout joggers, and I really like the pattern. I think they're awesome. I did sell a pair of Adidas girls trackies like for the gym the other day, like instantly, so I feel like they'll go. It's coming up to World Cup time, so kids England top, again, should sell for a few quid. Got this for £1, just a girls Nike, I think it's like a workout top, but it's like a nice material. Ralph Lauren polo, white. Got this for free, just a Mickey top. And I think it is actually Disney store. So again, even if you get a couple of quid, it was free. I picked up this Craghoppers fleece because I saw someone sell one the other day and it did okay. So I don't really know what it is, but again, if it's a few quid, that's fine. And then I got 3 fat face girls shirts. So I picked one up the other day. As soon as I listed it, it sold. I didn't even have to negotiate. I sold that for 5 quid. So I picked up 3 today for 5 quid. So I'm hoping the same thing happens, but we'll see how it goes. So I've got no other plans today. I'm just going to list 10, maybe more, but I'm not going to do all of them in one go this time. I'm going to upload 2, wait like 30 minutes, upload 2, wait 30 minutes, upload 2, see if it does anything different. Because I know with like TikTok and stuff like that, if you upload like, say, 30 videos in a day, if you upload one and one straight after, you're going to affect the first one because it's not going to go out and branch as far as it should. And I don't know how it works with like Vinted. Because I uploaded 100 items the other day and some of them are still on 0, they've done fuck all. Whereas if I'd have uploaded 5, an hour later 5, they'd have each had like their own reach. So I'm just going to try something new. If it works, I will obviously tell you. But yeah, none of this stuff today is going to be listed. I've still got all of the pile that I bought the other day, so that's got to go up first. So yeah, Columbia and North Face fleeces I think are what's going to go on today. Just a few of each, see how they go. If they do well and I'm making, like £10 profit on each one, then I will buy the other lot from the friend I got it from yesterday. Okay. Work time. Okay, I went to watch the Community Shield FA Cup final. Had a couple of pints with my mate and then came back home and did absolutely fuck all. I listed like 3 more items just to see if it would tick over and work. But what I'm going to do now, I've got 3 boxes. I'm going to start organising my stuff. I'm going to have all of my Columbia stuff in one, North Face in another, t-shirts, joggers, and so that when I come to picking things out, it's easier for me. I'll show you why. So my clothes, they're in these 2 bags. That's what I got from the car boot up in Bradford. A few bits on top just because I couldn't fit in the bag. This is what I got from Kettering when I went to the, what was it called? Ace. It was called Ace House Clearance. This is what I got from the friend from school. This is the North Face and Columbia stuff. That there is what I got from the car boot today. And both of these are what I got from Sound for £1. So when someone orders something, I kind of remember where I got it from. Then I got to have a look and it's a bit of a nightmare. And I know most people organise this. They already package it away. I'm not going to package it away yet just because there are some items that I'm pretty sure aren't going to sell. Like some of my really old stuff that I've listed and I'm happy to get £1 for. So I don't want to package it, then have to find it, waste money on the packaging. But yeah, if it's still up there in like 2 weeks, if it's been up for like 4 weeks, I'll take it off completely. I'll take it to a car boot, and if I don't get rid of it, that's fine. I'll just donate it. I want to get rid of all of the like lower end stuff that I've got, and then going forward, hopefully, if I can find a supplier, or when I go out, only get items that I know I can make £10 on minimum. And then list only like the higher price stuff. That's the goal. That's where I want to get to. And I am trying to find. So I showed you the army like camo trousers that I had. I've got 3 pairs. 2 of them sold instantly. They were really good. I want those because I feel like it's going to be perfect for summer. And I'm looking for these awesome like windbreakers. Right. This is actually my one. It's so cool, and it's like it's going to be for my festivals this year. So if you know any suppliers for that sort of clothing, please put it down in the description. Fucking description, I'm useless. Put it down in the comments. Let me know. Yeah, I'm trying to source a bundle of those. I think they do really well. It might be a gamble, but this whole thing's a gamble. I'm gambling on myself and gonna win. Not putting it on red or black, putting it on the Koosh man. Right, I'm gonna organise some of this. I think I'm gonna need some more boxes, like proper boxes. These ones are the best ones I've got. I've got a whole set in there, but they're too small. I need like proper ones. I just don't want to fucking buy any. All right, I'm gonna do this and then I'll kind of show you what I've done. I just had another sale, which is awesome, but this is what I've done. I'll just quickly show you. Columbia, and I'll put a sign on it. They're the only ones I've listed. Everything in that box under there still needs to be listed. That's Columbia and North Face, and they'll have their own box. So that's that. This is all kids. This is all trackers. That's all t-shirts, polos. That's all jumpers. That's all hoodies. And in there is the really bulky stuff. Now those 2 piles are stuff that I'm not too happy with. Because I got like the £10 bundle and things like that, I was just picking some bits that, not necessarily branded, I thought they might sell, even if it was like a couple of quid, but they're not doing well at all. So what I'm actually going to do is delete it, put it all back up just for like £2, see if they quickly sell, like in the next couple of days. And if they don't, next week when I go to a car boot, I'll just delete it again, take those with me, try and get £1 each, and that'll make my money back. It's all kind of branded still, I'm pretty sure it will go. But I don't want to just leave it on there for fucking like 4 months just to get like £5. I will actually take some of the kid stuff as well. But yeah, most of the rest of it, I'm sure it will eventually go. I think it just needs refreshing. Yeah. Right. I am gonna finish this, go to bed. So again, if you've liked this, please leave me a comment. If you've started and you're doing well, let me know. If you've got any supplies for me, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, all that stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Tomorrow I'm doing a different car boot. I've never been there before. It's not that far, but I'm going to give it a go. It should be big. Yeah, see you on the next one, gang.